Hey y'all, it's Sam, and welcome back. Today we are going to be making a 4-ingredient artisan bread, so get ready to get started.
Go ahead and gather your ingredients. That's 3 cups of flour, 2 and 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 and 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cups of warm water, not cold, not hot, warm water. Go ahead and combine your dry ingredients, then slowly add in your water. This is a stickier dough, so be prepared to get messy. As you can see, I'm kneading it by hand here. Also keep some flour on hand in case it's too sticky. Then let it rise for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. As you can see, it about doubled in size. Go ahead and flour your hands. Pull the dough. It is going to be sticky and stretchy. Make sure you flour your hands nice. Pull and fold. Then keep rotating the bowl. Pull and fold. Make sure you are pinching the seams. You're going to do this quite a few times, so keep going. Use your best judgment until it's about as smooth as you think it should be. Then go ahead and get that parchment paper out. You are going to lightly flour that. Make sure that your dough is seam side down on that surface, and then you're going to let it rise about another 10 minutes. After that, have your oven preheating already to about 400 degrees. The last thing you're going to want to do before you put it in the oven is go ahead and score it. I just did one score across the top, nice and easy. Keep in mind this is 3 o'clock in the morning, so bear with me a little bit. I went ahead and popped it in the oven and it came out nice and crispy. It was only in there about 20 minutes, and it is a tougher loaf, so keep in mind when you're cutting it, you're going to have to put your back into it. Really cut down on there. As you can see, I underestimated the toughness of the bread, but when we cut into it and we tore it apart, it literally tasted just like carrabba's. We dipped it in some oil and vinegar and it was good to go. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more ways to become self-sufficient and join this journey with us.